Pipestone Capital Corp. Taxation and accounting for cannabis farmers in Canada, navigating regulations and maximizing benefits. Presented by Pipestone Capital Corp. The cannabis industry in Canada has witnessed significant growth and transformation since its legalization. With this burgeoning market comes a complex web of tax regulations and accounting considerations that cannabis farmers must navigate. In this article, we delve into the key insights on tax regulations, deductions, credits, and compliance tips tailored to cannabis farmers, brought to you by Pipestone Capital Corp., your partner in business funding solutions. Tax regulations specific to cannabis farmers. Cannabis cultivation is subject to a unique set of tax rules in Canada. Cannabis farmers are required to comply with both federal and provincial tax regulations, making it crucial to understand the nuances of taxation. The federal government imposes an excise duty on cannabis products, which includes a cultivation tax levied on cannabis producers. Provincial regulations may also impose additional taxes or fees, making it essential for cannabis farmers to stay updated on the specific requirements of their jurisdiction. Tax deductions and credits. While navigating the tax landscape can be challenging, cannabis farmers can take advantage of various tax deductions and credits to mitigate their tax liability. Some eligible deductions and credits include cost of goods sold, COGS. Cannabis farmers can deduct the cost of producing cannabis, including expenses related to cultivation, labor, materials, and overhead costs. Keeping meticulous records of these expenses is crucial for accurate tax reporting. Scientific research and experimental development, SR&ED, credits. Cannabis cultivation often involves experimentation and innovation to improve yields and product quality. Eligible research and development expenses can lead to valuable SR&ED tax credits. Capital Cost Allowance, CCA. Cannabis farmers can claim CCA on eligible capital assets, such as equipment and machinery used in the cultivation process. CCA allows for the gradual deduction of the asset's cost over time. Small Business Deduction, SBD. Qualifying cannabis farming businesses may be eligible for the SBD, which offers a reduced federal tax rate on a portion of their income. Compliance tips for cannabis farmers. Staying compliant with tax regulations is essential to avoid penalties and legal issues. Here are some compliance tips for cannabis farmers. Accurate record keeping. Maintain detailed records of all expenses, sales, and transactions related to cannabis cultivation. This documentation will be invaluable for tax reporting and audits. Consult tax professionals. Given the complexity of cannabis taxation, seeking advice from tax professionals experienced in the industry is recommended. They can provide tailored guidance to optimize tax strategies and ensure compliance. Understand provincial regulations. In addition to federal taxes, cannabis farmers must be aware of and adhere to provincial regulations, which may vary across different regions of Canada. Stay updated. The cannabis industry is evolving, and tax regulations may change accordingly. Regularly staying informed about updates and changes to tax laws is crucial for accurate reporting. In conclusion, navigating the tax and accounting landscape as a cannabis farmer in Canada requires a deep understanding of both federal and provincial regulations. By leveraging available tax deductions, credits, and following compliance tips, cannabis farmers can optimize their financial outcomes while remaining in good standing with tax authorities. For business funding solutions tailored to the unique needs of the cannabis industry, consider partnering with Pipestone Capital Corp. Visit www.pipestonecapital.com to explore financing options and take your cannabis farming business to new heights. Disclaimer: this article is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as legal or financial advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with qualified professionals for advice specific to their individual situations. Thanks for watching.